Hey there, Jason K here. I am standing in Westerly in Erie, Colorado, outside of McStain model home. This one is the Legacy. It is 2,600 square feet, obviously right behind me as I'm swinging around. Really nice home. Let's go take a look, see what it looks like on the inside. Before we head in, it's actually a really nice covered porch to sit and just hang out, watch the world slowly pass you by. Hi. We'll do the upstairs, downstairs in a minute. Similar to the last model home, gas fireplace, large TV, cathedral ceilings, very nice layout. Kitchen and family room space are a bit different. Dining room is stacked. You have a small little family room nook. Love the groovy soundtrack that they're playing through the TV. Hey, look, there's us, almost. Nice wine cooler. Second dishwasher, which is really nice for the wet bar. Nice size walk-in pantry. And of course, heading to my favorite room in the house. No, not the mudroom, although it is very nice. And then you actually have a full walk-in closet as well. Oh, they locked the garage. Bummer, not going in there. Anyway, 2-car garage. So let's head up, check out the bedrooms and the layout up there, huh? I'm guessing this is the master or primary suite, and I am correct. Tucked away from the other bedrooms. And as you can see, since this is Colorado, the sun is now out. True to form. Again, 5-piece bathroom. Hi. Nice setup with the bathroom for the main hallway or shared main bathroom. Toilet and shower tub separate from the sinks. I actually thought those stalls were a kid for a second. We'll get to the laundry room in a minute. You know, I want those Stratocasters. Nice. Doubt they're real. Again, nice high ceilings in here. About 9 feet on the second level. Lights are not on. They do have the house plumbed with speakers throughout. All right. Now, for the laundry room. Ta-da! Oh, lights even work. Yay. Lots of storage space, nice folding space. Most new construction do not come with refrigerators or laundry. Again, model home, so they're in here. So let's quickly get downstairs, huh? See what's hiding in the basement. I do not think that this basement is going to be finished. I am correct. Stairs gave it away. But like the other unit, nice high ceilings, pre-finished with plumbing, so you can make it finished however you want. Nice big space with an egress window. You're gonna have a lot of fun down here. All right. That's a second model home here at Westerly in Erie, Colorado, built by McStain. Get more details for you below. Thanks so much. Live your best life. As always, tell me what you think of this home in the comments below. So you can give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I'm always here to help you in your home search journey. And even if you're just unsure about what to do in order to get a home, or what the process looks like, I can help. It may be more within your reach than you think. And while you start your home buying journey, learn how we can help save you anywhere between $25,000 to $100,000 or more. I'll go over all the programs that are available for you, whether it's a first-time buyer or more advanced techniques that investors favor. I can show you how to literally save thousands and thousands of dollars. You want to know more? Book a time on my calendar with the link below, or give me a call, or shoot me a text, or send me an email. My name is Jason Kay, and I'm your local Boulder Valley realtor, and I can't wait to show you around. Don't forget to click that like button and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. And always, live your best life.